sisig na baboy.
Tagay. Oh, no.
How are you?
I'm fine.
That one. Oh. Make the sound.
Alright.
Oink, oink.
Red onions. So she eat the red onion.
I will pick it, the onion.
Okay. Put some salt. Yeah. Black pepper.
To spread the...
Black pepper. When we already... Oh no. Pag ipiprito mo na siya guys, malutong.
Oh no. Oh no.
So you have a job to translate it.
Oh no. The bay leaf.
Pork cubes.
Pork cubes.
This is the pork.
To make the pork more porkier.
Half here, another half for here.
Oh yeah.
Turn around the head.
From this
This
to this. For the pork sisig,
Red onion. Liver spread.
liver spread, ground black pepper.
Big onion.
We already cut it into smaller pieces.
Green chili. Red chili. Calamansi.
A bottle of soju. Just kidding.
Fish sauce.
Patis. Apple vinegar. We need the
Tagay.
no. Slide it. We decided to boil it for 2 hours. We want to make sure that meat super soft and super tender when you
fry
bite it.
you know it's very crunchy. Yeah.
Crunchy. We fry it. We fry it.
Fry. And we put
Yes.
some, you know, it's very special. We put some eggs.
Yes. Oh,
Sizzling
eggs.
sisig.
We'll mix it with the pork sisig later. We will have to deep fry.
Not deep fry, only fry.
Okay. We will fry it.
Oil.
So we don't need the sabaw, we don't need the soup. You need to make sure the boiled water totally gone, get absorbed into the meat.
Oh. Just like rapper guys. So,
Yes.
You know, we will wait to, you know, totally the sabaw is
So-
sip the meat.
So at this very moment, we still have our fire on high, approximately maybe 30 minutes more, completely absorbed by the pork head meat. Whatever it is, when you're cooking, make sure to enjoy the process of learning with the sound of
Taga.
the bonnet. Remove the meat from the bone, only with hands.
Let's go.
Look how he did it.
Can you finish that?
Yeah, I can, of course. I can finish this.
Okay. And have some. This is the eyes.
The eye. Make sure to prepare a very hot pan.
Okay.
Oh shit. So this is a very dangerous moment where the oil keep popping up. Do you have the cover for that?
Yeah.
You have the cover. Can you cover it
We
with
need
the
to
pan?
put it all so it will not, you know,
Yeah,
like-
yeah, yeah, you know, jump. Yeah. This is the war happening, bombing there and here. After finally waited for 10 minutes, this is how it looks like when we fry. When we oil deep fry like this. Amazing.
Don't forget lowest fire.
Lowest fire.
See you later. I don't want to live without you. Hindi pa dyan natatapos guys. We need to cut it into small pieces. It will be, you know, crunchy. Oh.
Oh. Sige ba? Fish oil. Wow.
Oh.
Mm.
Feel like in heaven.
So we finally take out the fried pork meat and we will cut it.
Guys. Very crunchy, guys.
What?
Very crunchy.
If we cut it and it's like, you know, fall there,
Yeah.
you can actually take it and put it inside your mouth like this. Butter.
Yun, mga katagay. Onion. Let's sauce it, guys. Pork. Ready to prepare. Guys, para gusto ko lang mas pasarapin yung recipe namin, gagawin ko siyang dalawang liver spread. Pero maliliit lang siya. Very small, guys. I'm putting the egg. Oh. Fish sauce.
Oh, yeah.
Siling labuyo.
Just like pizza.
Oh. Okay na to. Tikiman time na.
Calamansi.
Make it, you know.
Is it okay? So with the pork sisig. Yes.
Sisig.
Pork sisig.
Like, you know, like the oil dipping.
Oh, there's oil. Oh, yeah. Butter oil, right? Yeah. Sisig na baboy.
Sisig na baboy.
I just take rice.
Oh. Yeah. You said, you know.
This little, this is chang chang. Spicy.
Okay. Guys.
Laging masarap.
Malinamnam.
Please continue to support us, guys.
Yeah.
Please like, share, put some,
Comments.
and
Subscribe. See you on the next
video.
happy
Dinner. Oh, we do not say thank you.
It's okay, we can say it now. Thank you. I can put it in front.
Thank you so much.
1, 2, 3. Thank you so much
guys.
for watching our video.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe to keep updated with us, to keep updated with our next video.
And see you.
On next video. Is it like that?
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Like that. It's the time, you know.